Hi everyone. Now we are going to discuss important topic. What is the difference between strategy and tactics? So last three sessions we discussed about what do you mean by strategy, what do you mean by strategic management process, setting objectives, and we started little bit about strategy and tactics. Now we are going to discuss in depth about strategy and tactics. So what do you mean by strategy? Strategy is the overall plan or set of goals that define the what and why to achieve long-term objectives. So we already discussed vision and mission. Vision is a long-term goal, mission is a short-term goal. So they are going to answer for what and why. So that is for strategy. Tactics are the specific actions or steps that detail the how to execute the strategy and accomplish those goals. So strategy we can't change, but tactics depends upon the situation. You can change it. So strategy is more difficult to change once it's set in motion. Tactics are easier to adjust depending on changing circumstances. So depends upon the circumstance, we can change the tactics. But strategy we can't change. Next, we are going to discuss corporate strategy. So in every organization, they are following some strategy to achieve the objective. So that is a corporate strategy. So corporate strategy is a crucial part of a business success, and it's important for strategic management because it helps companies achieve their goals, maximize profit, and protect themselves from external threats. It means, so every organization they are having two aim or two objective. One is to attract more customers. Another one is to maximize the profit and also protect themselves from external threats. Threats is nothing but challenges or difficulties. Because in that competitive analysis, every organization they have to focus in what time the other organization will goes down. So always they have to monitor. So as an organization, they have to protect themselves from the external threats. There is a difficulty or challenges from the customers. Anyone from the external, right? So corporate strategy involves making decision, setting goals, and establishing systems to ensure the smooth functioning of the organization. So if you're going to take a decision is very, very important because in that management, the strategic management or in that management, if you're taking decision will be wrong, the organization will be failure. Whatever the decision, you have to think once or twice or thrice, then finally you can take a, this is the correct decision. So if you're going to making a decision, very important. So depends upon the decision you are going to set the goal also. You can setting your objective or target or goal or anything. So everything it will be success automatically the system to ensure the smooth functioning of the organization. We already discussed about the systems. So this is the process, this is the system, so you can follow. So definitely you can achieve your target easily, right? So that is a corporate strategy. So it's a very important topic, McKinsey 7S model, because in every organization, they're following the McKinsey 7S model. It helps to analyze the organizational strength or you have to analyze the hard element and soft element. So that is that major for the McKinsey 7S model. So next session, we are going to discuss in depth about the McKinsey 7S model. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all.